What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm not kidding. Yeah, I told you in the last video I will open Buzz Lightyear, and the last video was Iron Man, and I already made a stand for him. It looks honestly pretty cool. Alright, so today we are going to review and unbox this Buzz Lightyear guy. Okay, so right here, like the arms and stuff are already cut off because I need to, like, my dad told the guy to test it, and it says try me. It's pretty, and like with this it's just a light, but like with this it has lights. Oh crap, don't fall over. With this it has lights and sounds, but it's just like it makes noise and sound while it walks. Like here. I don't know what to expect, but at least I can just put it in my room and don't play with it because it's collectible. Oh, okay. That was actually kind of hard to open. Okay. I can get him out of here. Oh. At this. Oh, wait. So, yeah, it has wheels so it can slide around. The arms and these are movable to infinity and beyond. Yeah, I've actually watched Toy Story 1 and 2, but not the 3 and 4. It's kind of dumb, but let's see how he walks. But at least I can just put it on my room and just there. At least I can just do this with it and then don't play with it. And then, yeah, I might have to make a stand for him, but I need to figure out how I'm going to pose him. So like the legs, you can move it. It's only just like that. So yeah, you can't move the arms going like this. See? It just won't go down. So his arms just stuck like this. But you can pose him into the flying mode, or the flying thing. It doesn't have the wings, but it's okay. I can just do it like this. Boom. There you go. I'm actually planning on watching the Toy Story 3 later on in this day, but wait, can the helmet? Oh yeah, it can open. So the helmet can open and close. And I think, oh, dude, the head can turn. That's sick. Okay, so honestly, it's pretty cool. That is a space helmet. But let's look at the detail. So right here it says fire. Come on, look. So right here it says fire. That's for the laser. Here it says Space Ranger, Lightyear. And honestly, it's pretty accurate to the movie, except for the box. The box was like a spaceship in the movie, but I don't care. So the head is turnable, movements all done. So there you go, Buzz Lightyear. I think I'm just gonna put him on my desk like that. But honestly, I think this is more like the movement is more like cool, and also it's just light. And this one can like move by itself. This one can move by itself, and the head can turn cool. Holy crap! Sorry, technical difficulties. What the? Just stick, you stick, and then you stick. I have to take this off. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! Yeah, just like that. Oh my god. Okay, this is hard. Technical difficulties. Oh my god! Shut up. Stop it! Oh my god. Why is this stupid dumb tape not sticking? Ugh! This is so stupid. Honestly, I think it's because of you. This cardboard stuff, hero attack from my last video. I hung it up, and then now this happens. No, just stop. Just stick, okay? Stick how your fork sticks to the ground. Okay, whatever. Okay, so, like, I think this is just like a plastic figurine. Just like that. But for this, it's kind of a little bit more nicer because it can move by itself. But yet again, it's easy to knock over. Just like, stop punching everything, Buzz. Yeah. So I think the movement on this one is more nicer than this Buzz Lightyear. But honestly, the details are the same. Yeah. It's pretty nice. And honestly, I don't know. So like this, you can like pose it however you want. But for this, you still can pose it, but just the arms, the legs, not. Okay, well, I think that is it. I'm done with the review. And I think tomorrow I might open another figurine or whatever. I don't know. I'll just go to the shop where I get these toys and see what I could buy. Like a figurine. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I should totally recommend buying Buzz Lightyear from your online shop because this one's totally dumb, but it's a collectible. So bye.